Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Wireshark latest version, that is 4.4.9 on Windows operating systems. Either it may be Windows 10, 11 or servers. Okay, first go to Wireshark official website, that is wireshark.org. See here, the world's leading network protocol analyzer. It lets you dive deep into your network traffic, free and open source tool. Okay, click on download or download now, both of them. Click on download now. See here we have the latest stable release 4.4.10 at the time of making this video, and see here we have the Windows X64 installer. Click on it to download. See, download started. See here its size is 83.4 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install it. Then see, if you want to see the documentation and practice, click on the documentation and you can practice. See, download is completed. Click on this exe file. Click on next. See, this is the license agreement. Select noted. Click on next. See, these are the components that by default it has selected: Wireshark and T-Shark. If you want like Android dump, random PKT dump, and SSH Cisco dump, and Wi-Fi dump, and UDP dump, then you have to select these options, or simply you can select all. See, selected all. Okay, click on next. If you want to create shortcuts, select them: start menu item and desktop icon and associated file extensions. Then click on next. This is the installation directory. If you want some other, then select the location by clicking on this browse button. Then click on next. If you want to install Npcap, see, Wireshark requires Npcap to capture live network data, so select the checkbox and click on next. USB cap is required to capture USB traffic. Should be USB cap be installed, so select checkbox and click on install. Select the, for Npcap, select the I agree for the license agreement. Click on install. Npcap installed. Click on next. Click on finish. Now select the license agreement for USB pcap. Click on next. Select the checkbox and click on next. You have successfully installed. Click on close. Now it is installing Wireshark 4.4.9. Click on next. Your computer must be restarted in order to complete the installation of Wireshark 4.4.9. You want to reboot now? I want to reboot later. Click on finish. Now go to all applications. Click on Wireshark. Verify the version. About Wireshark. See, we have installed Wireshark version 4.4.9. Now you can provide the capture filter here, or click on select any one of them and click on this start capturing packets. Okay, you can go through the documentation and you can practice. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Wireshark 4.4.9 on Windows operating systems. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.